Hello everyone. The free beta of Affinity Publisher is now out, so I'm going to give this a test run. This is not a tutorial on how to use Publisher, I'm just going to be testing the software for this video. Okay, so this software is finally out. New document. Now I see here I have an option that says facing pages. I'm not going to click on that just yet. Okay. Now over here I see that we have mostly the same tools as Affinity Designer. The only two tools we don't have is the artboard tool and the round corner tool. Instead, we have the picture frame tool and the, table text tool. Okay. Now I'm gonna expand this, so I want to have master pages and pages in the same view. So what is master pages? Master pages is the template you use or the layout you use for all of your pages. So over here, I'm gonna click this button, and I'm gonna have, I don't know, 8 pages overall. And now over here with my master pages, I'm gonna create a new master page, and I'm gonna call this My Layout. Okay. So let's say I want to have, well, let's turn snapping on. Okay, I want this to be the layout for all my pages. And I did that while I had the master pages layout selected. So I'm going to right click and say apply master. And I want that same theme to apply on all of my pages. So I'll click OK. Now see that theme applied for all the pages now. And I also want to have a page number. So I'm going to go to, well, first I need to get the text tool, one of the text tools. So go to text, insert, page number. Okay, now it says 1 here. And it says, alright, and I already applied the master. Now if I click on this page, and you'll see I can't edit the text. I can only do that on the master. So double click this. Now I can move it where I want. Alright, so far I like the way this is set up. Alright, now I want to have this be have all the pages be facing pages. So let's see, I'm going to go to Document Setup, and under Layout, have facing pages. All right. Okay, because I want to create a book, so this will be my the cover, and then when you open it up. Okay. Alright, now let's get into the text. So let's start over here. Oh, I already had this highlighted. Alright, so I'm gonna highlight this text, copy it, paste, and if you click this eye icon, then the text that runs out of the text box will not be shown. Alright, so I'm going to have the text stop here, and I want it to continue on another text box. So I'm going to make another text box over here. So I'm saying, alright, I want the text to start here and then continue on this text box. So I'll click this arrow, then click this box. Excellent. So if I click here where it says lines proposed in balance, I'll press enter and see the text shifts right away. It is super fast. Love the way that works. Okay, now let's say I want to put a picture right here. Now I want to wrap the text. Now if I select this and up here click the wrapping options, nothing happens. You need to click both the text and the picture frame. You need to select them both at the same time. Now click this. You know, I'm really impressed with Affinity Publisher so far. You know, so far everything seems very easy to understand and it's super fast. Okay, so you know from my previous videos that I'm working on a coloring book. So I'm saying, okay, this is what I want the cover to look like. And now when you open the book, the first few pages are usually this page is usually blank, or usually the first two left pages on a spread are blank. Well, what do I mean by spread? Like this is a spread, a set of 2 pages. And but first I'm going to just get rid of the page number, so double click on my layout. Oh, okay. Now delete this. Oh, and another thing, I double clicked on my layout and look, all of my pages are gone. That's because by double clicking on the masters, I went to this spread. So if I double click on this, now I can see all the pages again. Alright, so just testing this out. So I'm saying, this is what I want the first page to look like. And then this page over here would be blank again because that's usually how books work. And these are all Affinity Designer files. Now that I'll be able to create a book, I no longer need to have individual files. I can just drag and drop all the files right here in Affinity Publisher. So this is just a quick overview showing just how Affinity Publisher works. And I could probably get rid of these page numbers now that I can actually insert actual page numbers. Oops, and I actually double click this. Whoa, what happened? Oh, oh wow. I didn't realize I opened a new tab. Okay, that's what happened. I didn't understand. By double clicking this, I opened this as a new file. Oh, and then you can edit the file right in Publisher. Wow, I like that. Okay, well, so far I really like Publisher, and well, I keep saying that. Alright, so I'm going to be using this a lot more.